The Eyond-Range Loss Alert drone EY-001 is equipped with a high-resolution 4K camera that captures stunning images and videos in any lighting condition, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. Its brushless motors provide superior wind resistance and stability, ensuring a smooth and quiet flight experience even in challenging conditions. With a maximum flight time of 40 minutes, thanks to 2 reliable batteries, this drone allows for extended sessions without frequent recharging. The drone's range of features, including gesture control and 360-degree flips, makes it suitable for both beginners and skilled drone pilots, offering a versatile flying experience. Comprehensive tutorials and responsive customer service ensure that users can easily learn and master the drone's operations, making it accessible to novices. Its robust design, including precise optical flow positioning and an electronic fence function, helps prevent loss and enhances safety during flight.